Okay, so you've made it through to where you need to create the agreement. Step 1 is important and you need to give this some thought. What really is the best way for you to base a reward for your employee? You may consider including your employee's partner when discussing the program. You'll see there are 5 options: individual sales, individual profit, total company sales, company profit, or other performance indicators. What you need to do is find the option that best tracks your employee's performance. Now, we're not financial advisors, nor do we pretend to be, and we can only speak from our own experience. But we choose to reward our employees by a percentage of their individual sales, because we are able to do this with the help of our accountancy program, but this is not the same for all businesses. Possibly you have employees that are part of a team, but it's difficult to work out exactly how much they actually bring into your business. In this case, you may prefer to give them a share in company sales or profit. It may be that you need to talk to your accountant or financial advisor first. It's up to you. However, talk to your employer about this when signing them up and make sure they fully understand the difference. Once you have clicked the option you want, move to step 2, where you can enter any additional terms or conditions that relate to this agreement. Note though, that whatever you type in here will automatically appear on the agreement in the next stage of setting up. To provide an example of how this could be used, you could add reference to your workplace agreements, vehicle policy, company policy and procedures. It's unlimited really, and that's the beauty of this program. It's totally tailored to your specific needs. Basically, this is where you spell out how other conditions will affect the employee's payment. You'll see we've actually provided a link which, when chosen, provides a few examples. Now go to step 3 and enter a percentage to be used in this agreement. It may be 1, 2 or 10%. It can be whatever you want. The percentage rate that you enter in here will be the rate used to calculate the monthly or quarterly bonus amount from the option you chose in step 1. Either way, we suggest you experiment a bit with the figures and do a test run. You can always come back and change the percentage before you both sign the agreement. If it's your first time, it may take a few goes, but once you've got your head around it, it's quite simple really. So enter the overall percentage and then scroll down to where you split the reward. In this next percentage box, you will choose what percentage of the bonus will actually be paid at the end of next quarter, which we refer to as the immediate bonus. And then the remainder, which we call the deferred bonus, will be paid on the last day of December after the conclusion of the completed financial year. Again, we've provided a link that will provide you with some examples, and it also shows a flowchart with the timelines for payment. So for example, the immediate bonus earned in the June quarter would be paid at the end of September, and the deferred part of the bonus is paid at the end of December of the same year. An immediate bonus earned during the September quarter would be paid at the end of December, and the deferred part of the bonus for the September quarter is paid in December next year. I'd like to point out now that this is the key component to the success of the Works For Us program. Once you've entered this information, save the details, go to the next step where you can view the agreement, print off 2 copies and you're on your way. The agreement points out that if the employee leaves, they are not necessarily entitled to the payment. Have you and your employee read the agreement and sign a copy each. It's not a bad idea to point out at this time to your employee that the contract can be altered or terminated on 30 days written notice by you.